Good morning, folks. It is Monday, January 26th, the day after the Patriots won, and the day after the big storm, which is actually more news. This, what you're seeing here, this brown, is the beach sand that has been blown up onto the beach. But more importantly, look out there. For 150 yards, this is all ice. This is the harbor. It's been cold enough and the wind was just right to pack the ice in. Right now, because of the weather, the boats aren't running, but they don't come into this part of the harbor. They should start running shortly. But consider if you lived in an area where you depended on boats to bring you your supplies. How deep do you stock it? How deep do you stack it? Right now it's 32 degrees. We're supposed to get another 3 to 4 inches of snow. And yes, that is a seagull standing out there. Hope everybody stayed safe during the storm. No power outages here, but this is what is going on. Ice. Push up saltwater ice right here on the beach. Boats aren't running, but they will be shortly. But for the last 24 hours, this has been an island with no contact with the outdoors. Consider that. 24, 48, 72, 96 hours. Or it has really hit the fan and it's forever. Deep thoughts, folks. Deep thoughts. Stay safe.